How to make a Bitmoji on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually make a Bitmoji or your Bitmoji look like you on Snapchat. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually downloaded and updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't updated already, you could head over to your app store, in the search box type in Snapchat and go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. So make sure that you are logged into your account. After you log in, on the top left hand side of the screen, you have to simply tap on this profile icon which you see. So go ahead and simply tap on the profile icon. As you tap on profile icon, if you don't already have a Bitmoji, it will ask you to actually create my avatar. So you have to tap on the button which says create my avatar right over here. As you tap on create my avatar, it will basically ask you to choose a selfie. So go ahead and actually simply choose a selfie of yourself right on the screen. So let me also go ahead and choose a particular selfie. So once you are done choosing your selfie, you can see Snapchat basically gives you three options to choose from on what kind of filter you actually might want to use. So you could basically go ahead and select any of this depending on your own wish, and go ahead and simply tap on the continue button. As you tap on continue, you can see it says your avatar is actually ready, and you can dress and edit your Bitmoji avatar at any time from my profile. So you could go ahead and tap on edit avatar button right over here. As you tap on edit avatar, you'll basically be able to see some of the skin tone options. Go ahead and choose whichever you might actually want to use. After that, you have some of the hairs which you might also actually want to add them to the style of yourself. So you could also go ahead and select any of the hairstyles which you might want to use. Then again, at the next step, you have the hairstyles and colors. You could go ahead and select any of these, again based on your own wish and based on your own needs as well. So go ahead and select them whichever you think is convenient for you. After that, the other thing you could also do is simply actually customize the hair treatment. For example, you could add some curls to your hair. If you wanted to add some colors as well, you could go ahead and simply select any of these which you think is actually very convenient and reliable for you. So let me just go ahead and choose one right over here. Once you've actually selected your desired hair as well, the next thing you can do is simply go ahead and select a mustache or any other thing which you want. Now, if you're a woman and you're creating your avatar, your interface could look somewhat different than ours. This is simply for the man, and your interface could actually look different. Now, this is simply anything which you might actually want to use. Go ahead and use them whether you want to or not, and you could also go ahead and simply select the eye style which you might actually want to use for yourself. Once you've done that, you basically have customized a lot of different options for your Bitmoji avatar. Now you could go ahead and select any of this depending upon your own wish and own needs as well. After that, you could also go ahead and select the eyebrow style or the eyelash style. If you wanted to, you could also choose the eye style, and you could go ahead and choose the eye spacing and eye size. You could go ahead and choose eyelashes. You could go ahead and choose the eye color as well. And this is basically how you can actually create your Bitmoji avatar. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.